But now we come to a robot that we can demonstrate for you. It's the Puma, which stands for Programmable Universal Machine for Assembly. In fact, it'll do many other things as well. Mr. Hammond is in complete control, I hope, and so he'll now start the robot off. So that's the starting position. It has several movements. That's waist, now shoulder, as for the right arm. That's a shoulder movement as for the left arm. That's 2 movements. That's elbow, that makes 3. And then we have 3 movements at the wrist. Roll, pitch, and yaw. So that's a complete set of movements with a gripper at the end. That head can be replaced by various devices according to the job required to do. Now, those are the single movements. There's an electric motor driving each of these joints. Now we'll show you that the arm can be coordinated so that, like your own arm, you move various joints at the same time to produce certain motions. And so let's go off with a coordinated motion in a straight line. Call that the X direction, if you like. There she goes. Now we'll do the Y direction. And the Z direction. And then he can do inclined lines. I'd better let him start, I think, so I know which way he's going for this. All the joints, practically all, are moving as he follows that trace, and now he's doing that one, and no doubt we'll follow it by that one. So that's 3 lines in different directions. So now he'll show you something about reproducibility, i.e. getting back to the same place in succession. And for that we'll apply a pointer. It's gripped. I will now stand safely back and watch the proceedings. That's a point in space, a marker, and he's approaching from behind. He's now doing a rapid movement in space, showing off a little, you might say, and coming back from the top. Important thing is that it's getting back to the same place. He's showing off again, and now he's coming in again to exactly the same position. That's good. So you can see it repeats itself, and it can do these motions in between. We take the pointer out now and invite a challenger to see if he can beat the robot at a game at which I have to say the robot is extremely good. So do we have a volunteer? Douglas. Douglas has, I have to admit, tried this before. And this is the competition. Douglas will, in a moment, take up this point, this little curved piece of wire, and I switch it on. You can see that every time he touches that wire, it makes a rather unpleasant noise. Now, your job is to take it around, Douglas, if you will, in one hand around the wire and see how far you can get without making funny noises. Once. Doing very well there. Keep going. Can you just go a little faster, do you think? 2, 3. That's very good. If we stop at the top, that's a very... And you're putting it back, and we'll switch the machine off. And I may tell you that that's not an easy thing to do. I touched it about 20 times on the first curve, so Douglas has done extremely well. You notice I switched the machine off. Well, we'll start off by getting the robot to switch it back on again. It's on. Oh dear. That's not very good. I think it can do better than that. Mr. Hammond is now telling it to get going. Oh dear. Couldn't you do something to it and get it going round without doing that? Ah. Now he's got it going. So far, so good. That's going to be a clean run, I think, this time. Well, that's very, very good. Can it do any better than that, do you think? What's it showing off at the top?